What is going on, y'all? Welcome to the Thai Life. My name is Min, and today I want to talk to y'all about January, February. It is so slow as a nail technician. And why is it slow and what we're going to do? Because as a nail technician, we cannot suffer so much slow days and so much slow week because that's going to damage us. We're not going to bring home no income. We're not going to have money to pay for our bills, and that's going to become a problem. Slow months like this as a nail tech makes you second guess. It's going to make you think twice, like, should I go get a second job, which it doesn't hurt, and you're going to ask yourself, is this the right career for me? A lot of those questions arise when you are slow, y'all. But let me tell you why it's slow in January and February. It's slow is because December, everybody decides to ball out. Everybody decides to spend a lot of money. Everybody to go put on their credit card. And then on January, when that bill hits, the credit card is mind blowing. Yep. They're going to be like, what am I going to do? I got to work extra hours. I got to go to work. I can't spend money. I'm going to save to pay off my bills because I damaged myself in December. That's what the mentality of the consumer is in January, okay? And plus, in January, there's not much of holidays going on, you know. February, the only thing you get is Valentine's, and after Valentine's, it is gone again. So that is why Nailtechs are facing a slow months of January and February. And that 2 months right there can do a lot of damage to a lot of nail tech, especially the ones are not financially planned, the one that living check to check, the one that always late on their bills. Those are the problems. And I don't want none of that to happen to y'all. I do not want none of that to happen to you. So we got to come up with a plan. As a nail technician, we got to make plan for the slow month. So what I usually do on a slow month is, first of all, I always take advantage of the busy month, and I'm going to work hard, and I'm going to try to save some money. I don't spend my money a lot, especially if you are an independent nail tech. You know that your supply stays the same for a while. You just have to spend on your rent, and that's pretty much it. So you are able to find way to save. Don't overspend on what you make, okay? Because why? The time when you make good money, you're going to overspend because you're going to be like, oh, I'm balling out. It's going to be like this forever. No, it ain't. If it's like this forever, then everybody be balling out. But instead, on social media, everybody's complaining about how slow it has been. Okay? So financial planning is very important for the slow month. Secondly, what I usually do is I focus on exposing myself. Okay? What's that supposed to mean? Well, what am I doing right now? I'm doing exactly what I'm telling you to do, is exposing myself. Is maybe work on some social media stuff. Because nail industry takes a lot of marketing, y'all. You guys need to realize that. It's not just about doing nails. It's not just about doing art. Nail is a business. And you want to run your business the right way, you got to really be that business person and really plan perfectly, okay? So work out your marketing. Expose yourself. Post a picture. Post an old video. Come up with some fun content. Show people who you are during the slow time, because the consumer, they might not be spending money right now, but they're watching. Because if they ain't spending money out there, they at home on their phone scrolling, watching on all the social media platforms. So now it is your chance to show them who you are. So that is my recommendation during the slow month. It's like you cannot let the slow month say, oh, I'm going to give up. Because you know what? Giving up is that easy. But keep grinding is hard, y'all. You know, I can give up years ago if I want to. I can step back. But the thing about this industry is that, well, what's the point of giving up if you're able to grind it out? Okay? So here's the positive news. Here's the positive news, y'all. Is that after February is over, you might pick up a little bit more because the sun's getting hotter. More people want to go out when there's more heat. The tax, people are getting tax return, y'all. When they got the tax return coming in, trust me, your salon as an individual nail tech, you're going to be busy, y'all. People going to have money to spend on their nails, okay? And once the tax return hits. Summer kicks in, and next thing you know, you rolling the big old snowball in. But back to what I was telling y'all. Save your money during those busy time, because you never know when that slow time gonna hit. You never know when you want to take a vacation. You never know when you might get sick and you might need that little dough. So you gotta financially plan, because you are your own business. Okay? You are your own business. That's all I gotta say. So stay up, y'all. Keep your head up. You know, everybody's having a slow month. You're not the only one. I just want to let you know that. I know sometimes when it's slow, you feel like you're the only one, but you're not the only one. Okay? It's a business. It has its ups and downs. Just ride with the wave, y'all. Just ride with the wave. Other than that, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hopefully you learned something. Go out there, make some clients happy. I'll see you on my next video, y'all. Thank you.